Mum, happy Easter. Hope you're all having a lovely time. I'm sure you're eating lots of chocolate eggs. And I'm sure that after you've eaten all your food, you are now indulging in your Caribbean Easter bun. Well, I'm continuing the tradition in my family. I have made Caribbean spiced bun this week. It is lovely, it's delicious. I have a secret ingredient that makes it a little bit more different, but you have to watch how I make it and then you'll know. But before I carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe. Every time I pop up on YouTube, you will be notified. If you don't know who I am, I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, I'm a mum. Let's get into it, guys. Caribbean spiced bun. Guys, to kick off, we're gonna do 15 grams of yeast, which works out about 2 tablespoons. I have here some warmed milk. I've already warmed it, and I'm gonna mix it in the warm milk, and I'm gonna set it aside until it all froths up to the top. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of sugar to that just to help the whole process, and then 1.4 kilograms of strong bread flour going in here. Here we go, look at that. Wow. Then we got 175 kilograms of brown sugar. This is the magic. Gonna add some cinnamon, mixed spice, be generous. Oh, come out, mixed spice, come out. I'd say a good teaspoon or even a tablespoon. And then the magic, this is what my mum used to use, caraway seeds. Yeah, this is the little bit of a departure my mum used to have. And so I'd say, look, that's like a tablespoon, right, of caraway seeds. Mix your dry ingredients, guys. 450 kilograms of beautiful fruit, raisins, mixed fruit, you choose. More mixing. Whoa. Then we have some browning to give it the dark color, about 2 tablespoons, be generous. Guys, look how that has risen. Look at all that froth on top. Whoa, that is just amazing. We're going to pour it in. Look how lovely that is. We're going to pour our yeast mixture. 2 large tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Should come together and make a lovely dough. This is the fun bit. You need, and you need, and you need for at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes. You're going to get that gluten, get it all sticky. Make sure you've floured your work surface. So as I said, I've been kneading this for 15 minutes. It's smooth, it's round, it's beautiful. Now I'm going to put them into tin. You can grease your tins. I'm going to just spray it like that. I've got some baby tins as well. I'm going to grease. Then we're going to cut it up and put it in the tins. So guys, look at our lovely array of buns, different sizes. They're all going to double and triple in size. So get yourself a cloth, cover it all up, and we will come back and you will see the beautifulness later.
A few moments later.
So I'm going to do it all again. I'm going to make little buns. So here's the flour, half the sugar. I'm doing half of everything. Once again, the kneading begins. So now we're just gonna, remember these are gonna really rise. We're gonna make them into nice round shapes. That's gonna double and triple in size. That might even be too generous. So I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. Yeah. Once you're happy with it, put it on your tray.
hour later.
Let us have the big reveal. Wow, look at that, doubled in size. Look at our lovely buns, they've doubled. They were not next to each other. Look at that, everything's all just grown. It's all just grown. Now it's all going to go in the oven, guys. Look at these buns. Look at these, guys, look at them, look at that. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. See what I mean? Just risen and looking beautiful. Wow, guys, look, here are the buns. Woo! They're just one whole entity now, so I'm going to put them on the rack to cool. And then look, this is the lovely sugary paste that I made. All reduced down. And we're going to use this to just coat it while it's hot. It's the best time to do it. Guys, it's beginning to look a lot like Easter. Here. If there wasn't a cooling rack, she would put them like this. And then, look at that, beautiful. Just Easter bun at Easter. Look at that. Oh. Okay, it is time. So it is jollof rice time with vegetables and vegan sausage. Over there, that's what's going on.
Water.
And water, of course. So guys, it is time for us to have our dinner. It is what night tonight?
Happy? Definitely not movie night.
It's not movie night, it's Thursday night.
That's tomorrow.
Thursday night, it's Thursday night.
Okay, so it's
How was your week this week before we eat our dinner? So far, good, yes. Very proud. Kyan's got a new Nike top. Whenever he does good, he gets a new thing.
No, whatever. It has to be very, very good.
Has to be very, well, he's right. It has to be really good before he gets a thing.
100 merits award.
Oh, and I just learned that Kyan just got 100 merits award. Anything from you, mister?
Certificate.
A certificate in what?
Like, it was weeks ago.
Oh, weeks ago. Okay, thank you, but we want the more current stuff.
Okay,
Anything current?
Pastry.
The pastry?
Pastry.
Anyway, and next week is Easter, so we're happy about that. So it's time for dinner. We're going to say grace. Who's saying grace?
Please help all the starving people who don't have a roof on their above their heads and don't have food or place to live or drink. Amen. Amen.
Once again, a lovely, thoughtful prayer from the little one. Well done. Let us eat. So this family is definitely on a waffle thing. So Afro's just made some waffles. Go for it, Af. Lift it up. 2 hands. Quick. There you go, Af. What are you going to do? Add some sugar. Try. Give us the verdict. It'll be nice with the ice. Is it good? This girl, she's tried it. It's so nice. And there's more bubbling away. Look, there's even spillage. And this is what Af was going off with. This is what she's going with. Do you like it? It looks beautiful. Go for it, Af. All right, sweetie. And this is the second meal. This is for Kofi. Take it, Kofi. Do you want a spoon? I think I need a spoon for this.
Okay.
All right, and see you later. So guys, here is one of the many buns that I made. Guess what? I'm not going to eat it in front of you. Why? Because you see how much I made, right? I have nyammed too much bun over these past couple of days. So I'm not going to cut it. I'm not going to eat it in front of you because I've had enough. Summer is coming. I'm not doing it. But I've got to tell you, it smells delicious. You can smell the cinnamon, the mixed spice and everything in this lovely bun. If you were here, you'd be going, woo, woo. So guys, try this out. If you want the full recipe of how I made this bun, guys, click my email down below and I will send you a free copy of this recipe. Now, before I leave, the 4th of April is the last day for the votes for the groundbreaking Soul Awards. I have been nominated in 3 categories. I've also put another link below. Click vote for me, best female, best single, best UK artist. Click the link below and support. So guys, for healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.